stay tuned to see how does Norwegian Aqua do their sea days.
Welcome. Thanks for joining us.
How are you? Welcome. Thank you.
See you again.
Same here.
Sparkly today. Bye.
Wait, what are you
I saw you last night.
Thank you.
For this first sea day, I am here at my first Latitudes cocktail party, which is for silver and above. And you get to shake the hands of the officers, and they serve you cocktails and some light refreshments. First sea day, first ever Latitudes cocktail party.
Ladies and gentlemen, give yourselves a huge round of applause. Thank you. Now, as you know, this incredible superstructure, the beautiful brand new Norwegian Aqua, cannot run without people doing everything behind the scenes. Today we brought some of our senior officers, some of our senior hotel officers, and some of our most important personnel on board. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to help me welcome them to the stage. Up first, we're going to address the gentleman in charge of more of our more technical departments on board of all of the engineering, in charge of all the horsepower, turning this barge into a cruise ship. Ladies and gentlemen, coming all the way from Bulgaria, give it up for our chief engineer, Plamen. Up next is my boss. So I'm gonna need even more applause, okay? So I can do this again next cruise. Ladies and gentlemen, overseeing the largest department on board, the hotel department, in charge of over 1,200 crew members. The general manager coming all the way from India, give it up for Deepak. I gotta do it again. Thank you so much, folks. And up next, last but certainly not least, the number one gentleman on board, the master and commander of the brand new Norwegian Aqua. Ladies and gentlemen, coming all the way from Sweden, give it up for Captain Robert Lundberg. Thank you very much, folks. On behalf of this and on behalf of the senior management on board, we wanted to thank you again for cruising with us.
Hello, very good evening, everyone. How do you feeling? Are you ready to dance? Traigo hierbacita, traigo tequila, los latinos, the dance floor is yours. Here we go!
This is
If you like this content so far, can you do me a favor? Can you like, comment, and subscribe? Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. It is free to do so, but it would help me to be able to produce further content like this. Stay tuned for more.
Now this time, you guys remember that you have a mic in your hand, just like me and get ready to sit for the next general.
because we also know that the 90 Drop it.
That is how Norwegian Aqua does their sea days. If you have gotten this far and you have not subscribed, please do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. It would greatly help my channel. And for those returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting the way that you do. And until next time, happy travels.